Hi friends, welcome to Kalanjiam. In this session, we are going to learn how to host your website without spending the cost. Okay. For that, you should have one static templates. You can download it in Bootstrap websites or anywhere where you can get it downloaded. And then you should have a domain purchased from any domain sellers like GoDaddy, HostGator, or any of the domain resellers. And then you should have a GitHub account. That's it. It's more than enough to host your website without spending any money. Okay. Now I do have one domain with me. I purchased in GoDaddy, which is kalanjiumtutorials.com. And then next to one, I have a GitHub repo with me. I'm going to create one repo for me to host my website. By click on it, new repository, just create your repository which is good for you website, and then I'm giving the description. This is test for Kalanjium, and then the repository should be in a public repository. It should not be private. And then if you want, you can initialize the readme file and then create repository. Now the repository is ready, and as I already said, you can go to any Bootstrap websites and you can download any theme if you want. Okay. As of now, I have already downloaded one of the theme. It's 100% free where you can download from the Bootstrap websites, and you can edit it according to your requirement. Then you can go for click on download. It automatically takes to the download window and you can download it here. Okay. In this case, I already have a template with me, which is unzipped with me. So this is a sample website files. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on my GitHub repo. You can upload the files using the upload files tab menu. Otherwise, if you have any IDE with you like Visual Studio, Eclipse, PyCharm, or Visual Studio Code, you can use any kind of IDE which is convenient for you, and you can upload the files to repo. I'm going to upload these files to repo by drag and drop. It looks like I have a lot of files. Okay, I'm going to upload one by one. I will upload first assets to the thing. It's around 99 files. This drag and drop will work for only 100 files. If you go beyond that, you have to use any kind of IDE like Visual Studio or Eclipse. We'll wait for the upload. Our files got uploaded. Now you go and commit the files by giving the comment, giving a test commit and commit changes. It is processing my files. Let's wait for a few minutes. Our files got processed. We'll upload remaining files as well. It's uploading now. Because it's few files. Don't take much time. Test commit. Giving the commit changes. It is processed. And then we have to add one more file which is CNAME. Just click on create file. Create the file name called CNAME. And then inside you have to provide your domain name, which is Kalanjium tutorials.com. Make sure you are providing the correct domain name here, and then you have to commit it. Just make sure the file name should be CNAME and the domain name should be correct. Okay, then test, commit new file. We have added the CNAME file as well. The next one, in the github.com, we have to search it for the custom domain for your GitHub pages. Okay, you can search it in the Google, you will get the website. Otherwise, I will be mentioning this URL in the description of the YouTube video. Okay, you can find it in the description. Okay, and then you have to point the domain to this IPs. Okay, just take the first IP and then the record should be A. Okay, then I'm going to manage DNS. Click on manage DNS. We have to provide the IP addresses which is available in the github.com. Okay, with the record of A. The type should be A. Just click on add and you can find here A, and then the host name should be at. The points to the website should be like this. The IP address. Okay, it should not be 1 hour. Just make it to custom. It should be 600 seconds. And save it. Just you can see it right. The type should be A, host should be at, points to the IP address, TTL should be custom, and second should be 600. And save it. You have to add all the IP addresses which is available in the github.com. It's a series is 108, 109, 110, 111. And then you can see all the things are same only. I will add it. 108, I have to add it now. A at the rate of 108, custom, it is 600, save it. The same way at this is and custom, it is 600 and save it, and then add one more which is A at points to 111, and then it should be custom 600 and save. Now I have added 4 IP address here. You can see it right. It's a 4 IP address I added in the GoDaddy DNS. Now you can go to the GitHub repository and click on settings and then go down. You can see GitHub pages. Okay, here thing GitHub pages. This is a box where you have to deploy your web page. Okay, I'm going to choose here master branch. Just change it, it automatically get deployed on the GitHub pages. Okay, we have to wait for a few minutes to deploy. Once it deployed, you will be seeing the website URL here. See, now itself it came as a kalanjiamtutorials.com. You can copy this domain and paste it in the URL. Our website is ready. Okay. Then after this, you can change it according to your requirements, services, homes, and whatever you want it. The website is compatible with mobiles also. See, it will work for the mobiles as well. Okay, we are good with our website now. And you don't worry about the public domain. because there is a options available where you can manage the access and and you can add like who can approve the changes and everything. Okay, because you might be thinking anyone can check in the code and anyone can merge the code, but it is not possible. We can restrict our website repository if it is public repo also. If you have any doubts on the web hosting on GitHub, please comment on the comment section. I will answer for your all questions. Please subscribe our channel for future notifications.